Until the late 1970s, Moses Gate was one of the more important stations on the line between Manchester, Victoria and Bolton, with Sunday service and high patronage. However, due to the clearance of much housing in the area, the usage of this has declined, although it retains an hourly service. Moses Gate is the nearest railway station to the village of Little Lever. The station was staffed until the early 1990s, but the station buildings were badly damaged in an arson attack and subsequently demolished. It is now unmanned. There are no ticket facilities. Passengers intended to travel must buy tickets in advance or on the train. Shelters and timetable posters are located on both platforms, though there are ramps to each platform. And this complies with actually, it doesn't comply to anything, does it? So we'll get started here at Moses Gate with 156421 and 155124, working the 1210 Northern service of Staley Bridge to Southport via Wigan Wargate. Next through the station is 331031 and 331017, working 1 November 57 from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North. Passing through the station next is 150104, working 2 Juliet 21 from Clitheroe to Rochdale via Manchester Victoria. Next passing through the station is 331014 and 331001, working 2H07 from Blackpool North to Hazel Grove. Next passing through the station is 769450, working 2 Whiskey 10 from Alderley Edge to Southport via Wigan Wargate. Next arriving into the station 12 minutes late is 150142, working the 1229 Northern service from Southport to Staley Bridge. Next pass through the station for Transpennine Express is 802213, working 1 Sierra 56 from Manchester Airport to Carlisle. Next up for Northern out of the thick fog is 331002 and 331021, working 2 November 66 from Hazel Grove to Blackpool North. Next up, running 41 minutes late for Northern is 3769424, working 2K86 from Southport to Alderley Edge via Scunthorpe. Also flying through the thick fog is 150-006, working 2 November 57 from Rochdale to Clitheroe via Bolton and Blackburn. Final fast train of the session is 331025 and 331011, running 5 minutes late with 1 Yankee 59 from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. And here comes our train in the form of 150-141 and 150-106, working the 1310 Northern service from Staley Bridge to Southport via Wigan Wargate. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.